If Earth was born on January 1st, human beings appeared at about 11:35 p.m. on the evening of the last day of the year. We are very young compared to the age of the Earth, and compared to the age of the universe, we might as well not exist. So, let's look into the future and see what exciting or scary events that you will miss. Voyager 1, which was launched in 1977, is currently the furthest human-made object from Earth. It is hurtling through space at a blistering speed of about 15.5 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to travel from Earth to the Moon in just over 9 hours. But even at this breakneck pace, the interstellar void is vast, and the distances between stars are truly astronomical. In about 40,000 years, the spacecraft is expected to encounter the star AC plus 793888, a dim red dwarf located about 17.6 light-years away. The spacecraft will make its closest approach, passing within 1.6 light-years. While that may seem like a long time, it's a mere blink in the cosmic eye. Earth's magnetic field flips roughly every 100,000 to 250,000 years, but it hasn't flipped in the last 780,000 years. Some scientists believe the field will flip soon, and that the gradual weakening of the magnetosphere is a sign of this. According to a 2014 study, Earth's magnetic field could flip in as little as 100 years. However, geological records show that it can take 500 to 2,000 years for the field to completely reverse. When the field reverses, compasses will point to the South Pole instead of the North Pole. Other effects of a magnetic field flip are unknown. In 1969, astronauts landed on the Moon and left their footprints on it, which will definitely last longer than our lifetime. Since Moon does not have any atmosphere, it is predicted that those footprints will be there for 10 million years. However, as with all things in the universe, nothing is permanent, and those footprints will fade due to micrometeoroid bombardment. Saturn's rings are composed of billions of icy particles, ranging in size from dust motes to boulders. These mesmerizing bands stretch over 270,000 kilometers from the planet's surface, creating a spectacle unlike any other in our solar system. However, this cosmic beauty is not eternal. Researchers have discovered that the powerful gravity of Saturn pulls in ring particles, causing them to spiral towards the planet and fall like ring rain. Scientists estimate that, at the current rate, Saturn's rings could completely vanish within 300 million years. But some studies suggest an even faster timeline, with the rings potentially disappearing within 100 million years. While Saturn will lose its rings, another planet will form new rings. Phobos, Mars' closest moon, is slowly spiraling inwards due to the planet's gravity. In around 40 million years, Phobos will reach a critical point called the Roche limit, where Mars' gravitational pull will become too strong, ripping the moon apart. This tear apart wouldn't be the end of the story, though. The debris from Phobos would scatter around Mars, potentially forming a new ring system. Our galaxy Milky Way is on a direct collision course with our galactic neighbor, Andromeda. The Milky Way and Andromeda are the two largest galaxies in the local group, and are currently separated by 2.5 million light-years. Astronomers predict that the two galaxies will collide and merge into a single elliptical galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. The newly formed galaxy will be called Milkydromeda. If you think the future civilization would be able to see this mesmerizing event, you are wrong. When the collision is happening, our sun will undergo a dramatic transformation, ballooning into a red giant, swallowing inner planets. Earth will fry under the scorching heat, transforming into a desolate landscape. The outer layers will blow off, and the sun will be left as a tiny, inert, but very hot core, a white dwarf. In about 100 trillion years from now, all star formation will end. Our vibrant, star-filled universe will eventually plunge into the degenerate era, a frigid epoch devoid of new stars. Massive stars explode into supernovas, leaving behind black holes and neutron stars, while smaller stars like our sun collapse into white dwarfs. With no new light sources, the universe fades into darkness. The white dwarfs and neutron stars will eventually die through a process known as proton decay. Now, when this happens, all that will be left in the universe are black holes. This is the black hole era, and it will begin trillions and trillions years from now. Black holes dominate this enigmatic epoch, swirling with remnants of devoured stars and spewing cosmic jets that illuminate the inky blackness. In due course of time, even black holes will disappear due to a phenomenon called the Hawking radiation. There you have it, folks. 9 events that you will miss. Let me know in the comments which events you would have loved to observe. Share this video with your friends. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on such amazing cosmic content.